Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, woohoo! It is week 3 of our 2026 reset. We are on to day 13. I'll put a link up there to the series, but there's no guilt here. If you've missed the first couple of weeks, just join in with us today. The main thing is you don't overthink things. I've done the thinking for you. That's why I'm telling you exactly what to do. You don't need to be checking off lists and printing out stuff. We're just getting stuff done and feeling a wee bit better about our homes and what is going on in our lives. So, are you ready for today's tiny task? And I know I'm giving you some of the tasks that I tend to put off as well. So today's tiny task, I want you to clean out one rubbish bin. And not all the rubbish bins in the house, but you know, if you've got a kind of grotty one for your recycling or maybe in the bathroom, you know, empty it out, you know, get the rubbish out of there, give it a really good wash, put in a fresh bag, whatever your system is. And I've got an alternative little mission for you. Have a look underneath the sink. Is that a place that you think, oh, I don't want to go there? And then you let it kind of build up in your head. And actually, if you set a timer, you know, I'm always talking about my trusty timer, just set a timer and say, okay, I'm going to do 15 minutes, or I'm going to do 5 minutes if you haven't got the mental energy or the physical energy today. I'm going to do 5 minutes and then I'm done. And you know what? We can really work miracles. Hands up, been there, done that. And all we're doing here is making things a little better. You're getting a little small win in, and you're seeing that these tasks, instead of putting them off and having them kind of weighing us down, we're just getting on and doing it. And as I've said before, it's great if you let me know that you're out there still following along and say where you're joining from today or what time of day it is, if you've had any little wins in this series. But the main thing I want you to do is to do the task, don't overthink it, and come back tomorrow here at the kitchen table in Copenhagen and it'll all be okay, all right? And as usual, I've got my pom-poms with me to send you off on your merry way. So off you go and clean out a bin, a rubbish bin, or underneath the sink with a rah, rah, rah.